Hello kids. So in previous lesson we learned the lion and the mouse fable. Yes? So in that we learned that the mouse is very tiny and the lion is very big. It's very ferocious. And everyone was scared of the lion. But this mouse one day suddenly fell on it jumped on the lion. The lion rose and hold it and tried to eat the mouse. But what did the mouse do? The mouse asked the lion to leave her and I will help you. At that time the lion laughed at the mouse saying that how come you tiny creature help me? But at the ending we observed that the tiny creature helped the lion and they both became friends. Yes? In between what happened? The lion was caught in a trap, in a net by hunter. The hunter laid the trap and the lion struck into the trap. So what happened there now? When it was struck, the mouse came and what did it do? It saved the lion. So what moral we learned here? So we have the moral that though the tiny creatures, the mouse is, though it is a tiny creature, it helped the lion. So in the beginning the mouse and in the ending mouse there is a difference. Coming to lion and mouse there is a difference. And before the lion laughed at the mouse saying that you cannot help me. How come you help me? But in the ending the lion and the mouse became friends since the mouse helped the lion. And now we can learn one more story, the hare and the tortoise. Now are you ready to learn the hare and the tortoise lesson?
So let's read the story, the hare and the tortoise. Once upon a time, a hare and a tortoise lived in a forest. The hare was very proud and made fun of the tortoise for his slow speed. The tortoise challenged the hare to have a race with him. So this we have learned before, the hare and the tortoise. The hare was very proud and made fun of the tortoise for his slow speed. Then what did the tortoise do? Now the tortoise challenged the hare to have a race with him. So now both are going to have a race. Okay. So the race started. They started the race. The tortoise and the hare started a race. The hare ran very fast. Because it can run fastly, it started running very fast. The tortoise was left far behind. Because it walks too slow, it was left far behind. The hare stopped to rest under a tree. Now what did the hare do? Because it ran fast, it became tired. Now it stopped to take rest. So it started taking rest under a tree. He fell asleep. Now what happened? Because it got tired, it started to take rest and it slept. The tortoise passed him slowly but steadily. Now what did the tortoise do? Did it take rest? No, it didn't take rest but started going on. And it passed the tortoise while it is sleeping under the tree. And slowly and steadily it is going on its journey. The hare woke up and ran as fast as he could. He saw that the tortoise was already waiting for him at the finish line. The tortoise had won the race. Now what happened? See, the hare, when he woke up, he started running again fast. But the tortoise already reached the finishing line. Now who had won the race? The tortoise won the race. Though the hare teased the tortoise saying very proudly that you cannot run fast. Now it had taken rest and the tortoise won the race. So from this, what moral did you learn, children? Slow and steadily we can win anything, and also we must not be too proud. We must not comment on others. So like this we have many morals from this story. Now you want to write it in our comparing fables volume. Okay, in this whatever the topic is there, in this you want to write it.
So did you listen to that story, the hare and the tortoise? So now we are going to compare this hare and tortoise story and also the lion and mouse story, and we can write them by using the Venn diagram. Do you know the Venn diagram? Previously we learned. So here let me take the two circles like this. Okay, this is called as a Venn diagram. So this is the outer part of the circle. So one circle, two circles. Two circles are there. This is the outer part and this is the inner part. So outer part is used to write the differences about the two. So here two characters, the differences. Let us discuss about the differences. In the two stories, the difference is here animals, lion and mouse. So if I take lion and mouse story. So here this side I am writing the lion and mouse, and here hare and tortoise. The hare and the tortoise. Now here the middle one contains both. Means this middle part must contain the similarities about both the stories. I will write only one for you, but other than that you want to write. So if I find the differences between the lion and the mouse story, here the lion and mouse are the characters. I am writing here about the characters. The characters are lion and the mouse. Even if I found that these are the animals. The similarity is we are talking that about a fable which contain animals. So in both the stories we have animals. That is the same. Both stories are fables. In both stories we have the animals. Now coming to here, so here we are writing the differences. So lion and mouse have lion and mouse, and hare and tortoise have the animals, hare and tortoise. So there is a difference between the animals here. Yes? In the same way you can write what happened. What is the difference? Here the difference is the lion laughed at the mouse, and here you can say that the hare laughed at tortoise. So here they are having a race, and here it helped when it was trapped. Like that some differences are there between both the stories. Coming to the similarities, you can say that the moral, they learn some moral, these are fables. Like that, what do you think are the similarities? You think yourself and try to write all the similarities here. This must contain the similarities. So what you want to write the similarities about both the stories in this place, and the differences in the outer circles. So these are called as the outer circles, where you want to write the differences between the two stories. Differences between two stories in the differences area. Here it is the similarities area where you want to write about the similarities. So try to complete your volume. Can you see page number 49? Comparing the fables. So outer circles must contain the differences and the inner circle must contain the similarities about both the stories. Now you want to summarize the differences and similarities. So basing on the differences and similarities, just write a paragraph. Try to write a paragraph just by discussing about them. Okay? And complete your volume page number 49, children. Okay, thank you.